So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn separation of substances. Separation of substances mean to separate and material or particles from other particles. There are two much method to separate any object or material. First method is to separate solid to solid mixture. It means to separate two solid particles from each other. First method of solid and solid mixture is hand picking. Some impurities present in a mixture are big enough to be easily picked up by hands. Substances like pebble, stones, and eggshells present in pulses, rice, and sugar are removed simply by picking them with hands. Next method is winnowing. This method used to separate heavier and lighter particles of a mixture by wind or by blowing air is called winnowing. It is used to separate husk from grains. Because husk is lighter, it will blow up, and the grains are heavier, so it will fall down on the ground. Next method is threshing. This process of separating seed from stalk is called threshing. In this method, first the stalks are beaten on the ground hardly and the grains present on it come out of it. On a large scale, this work is carried out by big machine called threshers. Next method is magnetic separation. In this method, we use magnet to separate magnetic material from non-magnetic material, like to separate pin from wood or pin from sand and etc. Next method is sublimation. The changing of a solid directly into its vapor is known as sublimation. Substances like camphor on heating vaporize without melting. The solid substance obtained after the vapor is cooled is known as sublimate. Sublimation can be used to separate the sublimate component from the non-sublimate component of a mixture. So now we shall study through an example. Take a mixture of sand and ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is a type of chemical on a china dish. Now place an inverted glass funnel on the china dish. Plug the open end the funnel with cotton. Heat the china dish gently. Ammonium chloride changes directly from solid to vapor and get condensed on the upper cooler surface of the funnel. The sand is left in the china dish. Next type of mixture is solid and liquid mixture. In this mixture, we separate solids from liquid particles. There are two types of solid and liquid mixture: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous means a solution which is totally mixed with solvent. Solvent is a liquid in which the solute dissolved is called solvent. Solid which dissolve in a liquid are called solutes. The mixture of solute and solvent is known as solution. First, we will know how to separate homogeneous mixture. So, we use the method of evaporation to separate homogeneous mixture. Now, a solution which is not capable of dissolving the solute any further at given temperature is called saturated solution. On heating, more solute dissolving in it, forming a supersaturated solution. There is another method to separate homogeneous mixture is crystallization. When a supersaturated solution is cooled and allowed to stand, crystal of the solute started separating. This is yet another method of separating dissolved solid from a liquid. This process is known as crystallization. So now we will study how to separate heterogeneous mixture. So the first method is sedimentation. The process of separating in which insoluble particles in a solid liquid mixture are made to settle down is called sedimentation. The solid which settles down at the bottom is called sediment, and the liquid above the sediment is known as supernatant liquid. To enhance the process of sedimentation, we use loading. In loading, we use chemical name alum. Alum makes the suspended particle of mixture heavy. As the result, The particles settle down faster. This process is called loading. Next method of separating sand from water is known as decantation. Such a method in which the clear upper liquid is poured out without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Last method to separate heterogeneous mixture is known as filtration. Filtration is process by which an insoluble solid and a liquid are separated by passing the mixture through a filter. The solid which remains in the filter is called residue, and the clear liquid obtained is called the filtrate. So now we have learned how to separate homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Thank you for watching my video.